Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Wallpaper and Style. This is where the change originates. Once there, inspect the current wallpaper source, gallery, Samsung themes, or a scheduled/loop option, and identify any active schedules. If a schedule exists, tap it to disable automatic rotation. Make sure to remove any wallpaper packs or third-party apps listed as the source. You do this now so the system stops switching images. Before adjusting persistent storage, now you eliminate alternative sources and lock in your preference. If any third-party wallpaper apps are installed, disable or uninstall them. They often override system settings. Choose a single image and explicitly set it for home, lock, or both, then confirm by pressing Apply. Next, check Always On Display and Lock Screen Sync. Make sure they aren't configured to import rotating images. Once done, clear any gallery albums set to auto display, which can reintroduce changes. Finish by clearing cache and data for wallpaper service, Samsung themes, and gallery so stale rules don't persist. Then reboot the phone to apply clean state. After restarting, monitor for 24 hours to ensure stability. If the wallpaper still changes, boot into safe mode to check for rogue apps, remove any suspect apps, and repeat cache clears. As a last resort, reset home screen settings or perform a settings-only reset. This preserves data while restoring default wallpaper behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.